Bibi Choroy? Apo, kakabsat, naimbag nga aldaw kada kayo amin. Nandito pa rin po kami sa aming tahanan at tayo po ay pupunta sa pinakauna at kaisa-isa pa lang na coffee shop dito po sa aking hometown, Caba, La Union, ang North Beans Cafe. Halika, samahan niyo po kami.
North Beans Cafe has been established since January 7, 2024. North Beans Cafe just pop up on the owner's mind. Since we are located at Northern Luzon, so siya naging North. Tapos yung beans, referring to the coffee beans. And then yung cafe, yung sa concept niya sa cafe. Doon na-derive yung name niya na North Beans Cafe. Tapos we are offering also like pastries, meals, halos lahat ng mga nasa menu namin is bestseller namin. Lalo na yung mga chicken burger, yung mga dumplings namin. Kasi out of scratch na talaga ginawa. The recipe, pinag-isipan talaga ng management yan. So lahat yung mga, kumbaga yung mga gusto-gusto niya kainin in other restaurants, kumbaga na iano niya until na-derive kami sa isang talaga na recipe. Yung sa concept po kasi ng restaurant, yung ambience nito is Bali-inspired yung niya. Minimalist siya na Bali-inspired po. Ang coffee beans namin is from Davao po. It is 80% Arabica and 20% Robusta. Well, aside from the services na nire-render namin like, sa mga staff namin that they offer, like yung very accommodating yung mga staff namin as tapos yung sa, yun nga, sabi ko nga, yung sa mga menu namin is, hindi siya yung talagang frozen na talaga na iluluto lang, kundi ginagawa pa rin po ng tinitimplahan mismo ng mga, namin, nasa kitchen. North Beans Cafe is also offering a drive-thru po. May drive-thru po siya. And the operation hours starts at 6 in the morning up to 10 in the evening po. Mondays to Sundays. We would like to invite from North Beans Cafe, on behalf of North Beans Cafe, we would like to invite everyone to come and visit us here at North Beans Cafe, located along the National Highway of Poblacion Norte, Caba, La Union.
Thank you so much, Ma'am. We wish you here. God bless you po.
Maraming salamat po, North Beans Cafe, sa napakainit po ninyong pagtanggap sa amin ng aking mahal na anak na si Isabel at sa napakasasarap na pagkain at coffee na inihanda po ninyo para sa amin ng aking anak. Weber is a Apo, kakabsat, Intay Itandudo, ti Segundo Distrito, ti La Union. Dito'y vlog ko, da kayo ti bida. Say that, Papa. Yes!